Europe is a leader in global technical standards. For music and videos, it was MP3, then MPEG-4 and AAC. For cell phones, it was GSM, then 3G, 4G and 5G. The list goes on and on. The EU even has a strategy for it. The EU strategy on standardization, to make sure that Europe stays a standard leader. So how does Europe develop standards? Hundreds, sometimes thousands, of engineers and scientists work in labs across Europe. They test new ideas that make things work better. Take mobile phone connections that work faster, better, and more secure against hackers and spies. Then they share their ideas with other engineers and scientists in a specialized international standards organization, like the European Telecommunications Standards Institute. Experts weigh the pros and cons and pick the best inventions to include in a new standard like 5G. That kind of standard can cover thousands of technical improvements. That whole process from idea to validation in a standard can take years. When a new standard like 5G is adopted, companies embrace it worldwide. They pay the inventors a small fee for the right to use all the new technologies that went into the standard. Those fees are fair, reasonable, and non-discriminatory. They start making new products. Then consumers finally get to put the new standard to use. But what if Europe made it harder for those European engineers and scientists to play the game? This isn't hypothetical.
Its proposals to regulate standard essential patents, authorize licensing negotiating groups, and impose new rules on patent pools would do just that.
Many inventors would probably forfeit the game and move on to other arenas. The standards would keep coming, of course, but Europe would be a standards taker, not a standards setter. And that would be a pity, an own goal for Europe.